Okay, so are you looking for the Holy Grail in your trading? And what I mean by that is I spent years jumping from strategy to strategy. I'd try a strategy out for a couple of weeks or a couple of months or whatever it was, find that I wasn't getting the results from it, jump into a different coaching program or a different strategy or whatever it was, find that I wasn't really getting the results from that. And the kind of cycle went on. I've been involved in, I don't know how many coaching programs, only to find out really that the problem isn't with a strategy. Because I do believe that whatever strategy you're into or running or going with, it's probably profitable in the right hands. Okay. Now, my strategy at the moment has a 40% win rate, which is quite low. But then on a 3-to-1 risk to reward, that gives me enough profit to not have to worry about it. And it's getting your mind around that. I mean, you could have an 80% win rate, but if you're risking 2% to make 1%, you're probably not going to be profitable, or you're not going to be profitable enough. I don't know. I haven't worked the numbers out on it. So, looking for the Holy Grail when trading is just something that's going to keep you spinning your wheels, basically. In my opinion, you need to find a strategy, stick with that strategy, work that strategy, and just basically stick with it until you're profitable. Because it's very, very easy to jump into a strategy, find it's not profitable or doesn't make money or it doesn't work with your mindset or your lifestyle or whatever it is, and then move on to the next one. Because so many people as well, and I've seen it, they try to trade lower time frames when they haven't really got any business trading lower time frames. And again, by that I mean they've got a full-time job, or they just haven't got the time to trade the London session or the New York session or whatever it is. They're trying to trade it lower time frames mostly because of impatience. Some of it is because they see other people trading the lower time frames, and that's what they kind of want to get into. But for me, I trade the 4 hour. I don't go any lower than the 4 hour time frame because I have offline businesses that I run. I haven't got time to sit on the charts. And to be honest, I don't want to sit on the charts for 3-4 hours a day, trading London or New York session or whatever, waiting for 1 minute setups. It really doesn't interest me. I mean, I love the charts, but sitting on them for hours a day just waiting for setups, I'd rather just log in 10-15 minutes a day on the 4 hour, set up what I need to set up, and kind of get on with my day. That's what works for me. That's what works for my mindset. And that's what I want to do with my trading. So anyway, I've kind of gone off on a bit of a tangent there, really. But, looking for the Holy Grail in your trading is just going to keep you spinning your wheels and not moving forward. So what I would suggest is stick with one strategy, whether you're in a coaching program, whether you're learning something off YouTube, whatever it is. 9 times out of 10, I believe, not every strategy is going to be profitable, but I believe a lot of strategies that people put out there are profitable if you trade them correctly, if you do your back testing. Grab a copy of FX Replay or one of the other testing softwares, and back test your strategy with, I've back tested the whole of 2023, most of 2022, so that I know exactly what I'm trading. I know what my strategy is doing. I know exactly what I'm looking for. So whatever strategy you're trading, back test it so that you know exactly what your numbers are, you know exactly what you're looking at, and just stop searching for that next shiny object, that next kind of Holy Grail, if you like, in your trading. Just stick with what you've got. Find a strategy that works for you, that resonates with you and everything, and just stick with it, test it, and just keep pushing forward with it until you get results. So anyway, hope this video has been helpful. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please hit subscribe, because I'm going to be posting out a few videos every week, and I will talk to you real soon. Take care.